Hey everyone, welcome back. This is quiz 3.6 and we're talking about ice cream. So the quiz for this one has a rather nice description in the place where you're going to write your code, which is kind of nice. We saw last time for the murder mystery a while ago we had to kind of copy and paste stuff in, but we're not going to do that this time. And pretty straightforward problem here. We're going to have one if statement. The if statement is going to check the flavor, the vessel, and the toppings. And in the event that the flavor, the toppings, and the vessel are all appropriately labeled, or at least within these options that they're giving us, we're going to print this phrase to the console. I'd like 2 scoops of blank ice cream in a blank with blank. Previously, we had figured out how to kind of quickly add things in here. So we'll do that again. First add in the flavor. Excellent. Then we're going to get rid of this. Paste in the vessel because we want our flavor ice cream in a vessel and we would like it with some kind of toppings. So let's make sure that we get that blank, delete it. And again, we're just highlighting the section of the phrase that we want to replace, hitting quotes, which will wrap quotes around the blank, and then deleting the blank so we can interpolate, which is a way to say insert a variable into a string, the correct message. So first thing that we're going to want to check is this x. But we don't really worry about this x because we haven't written anything in our if statement yet, and it's just kind of like squawking about that. It's like, hey, you need an if condition, and we're like, chill, we'll put one. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap 3 sets of parentheses grouped with ampersands. And that's what these double and signs are. They're ampersands. And here I'm going to check the flavor, here I'm going to check the vessel, and here I'm going to check the toppings. So for the first one, I want the flavor to either be triple equals chocolate or flavor triple equals vanilla. If either of those are the case, then this section of the Boolean is going to evaluate to true. Next thing we're going to check is the vessel. So we're going to say vessel is equal to, I think they want cone, or vessel, and we'll scroll to the side a little bit to give ourselves a nice view of what's going on. It's equal to bowl. So we've now checked if vessel is equivalent to cone or vessel is equivalent to bowl. The last thing we're going to check is toppings. And I think toppings need to be, let's double check, sprinkles or peanuts. So we'll say sprinkles or toppings triple equals peanuts. At which point we have our if statement condition is closed. A little bit tricky to see all of this code all at once. Could zoom out a little bit, but it might be more difficult to see if we do that, but we can just kind of follow along. So like if flavor is equal to chocolate or flavor is equal to vanilla, that's what we should be doing, and vessel is equal to cone or vessel is equal to bowl, looking good, and toppings is sprinkles or toppings are peanuts. And I think that's pretty much everything, and if we're going to do that, we're going to log something to the console. So let's submit the answer and see what happens. Hey, thanks for completing that. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.